Welcome to Sendemach, a professional manufacturer of compact and medium-sized excavators. Modern workshops and experienced workers ensure stable quality and efficient production. Sendemach offers a complete range of mini and medium excavators from 1 ton to 26 tons. We provide various configurations to meet different market requirements. From frame fabrication to component assembly, every process is carefully controlled. We use high-quality components and follow strict manufacturing standards to ensure durability and performance. Each machine undergoes detailed inspection before moving to the next stage. Before delivery, every excavator is subjected to comprehensive testing to ensure excellent performance, safety, and reliability. Our goal is to provide machines that customers can trust. Sendemach excavators have been exported to Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, and many other regions. We provide professional support, fast delivery, and customized solutions for our partners around the world. Sendemach built for performance, built for your success, seeking global distributors.